we're going to look at the DC TIG side, the manual control. It's essentially a 2-menu system. We've got the home screen, as we can see now, and then there is a secondary menu screen for the additional parameters. What you do first then is set the home screen to give the overall weld parameters that we're going to be using. So we've got the start facility, HF start, lift and live. In DC we do have some spot function on, we also have tack. We've got our triggering functions. Including the pedal. And then we've got pulse capability, either on or off. So once we've set the global settings, the weld parameters are set, we're going to go into the root menu. We can see the menu tree there, and you can see that all the usual weld parameters can be adjusted. So we start on the left with the pre-flow. That's currently set at 3 seconds. We can turn that down and make that a much shorter time or much longer. We'll go across to start amps. Again, that can be adjusted. Upslope, again, can be adjusted. Simple turn of the dial. We've got the downslope, end amps, and post flow. So you will set the background menu there in the root menu, go back to the home screen, you're ready to go. If we need to add anything in, such as a pulse, we're going to turn pulse on, go to the root menu, which now opens up our pulse settings, which we can then adjust as required, make the changes you need, dial in the settings you want, giving you the control you require to get the job done. And then simply to change the amps, we can see the A's highlighted in red there. It's as simple as that. Turn the dial and away you go.